In today's episode, we're featuring a hand-picked selection of cutting-edge machines operating at remarkable levels of precision and power. From the intensity of molten metal to the destruction of bikes being shredded, we've got it all. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. An automatic arm slices wet cement with a wire, skillfully shaping it into bricks. This machine efficiently stretches the tires, enabling seamless wheel installation. A rotating plucker machine efficiently removes feathers from a whole chicken. Hot plastic is swiftly molded to produce durable, weatherproof car floor mats. Molten metal is effortlessly reshaped in a factory press. A robot with knife-equipped arms chops meat into ground beef. This machine effortlessly crushes large boulders into smaller pieces. Be amazed by the incredible precision with which this craftsman cuts perfect metal circles. This machine bends large tubes in multiple directions for specific applications. A shredder recycles an inoperative bicycle by breaking it into pieces. This machine securely wraps tubes to ensure convenient and firm packaging. This bandsaw effortlessly slices through multiple pieces of rebar with precision and ease. Plastic water bottles are transformed through hydro dipping to achieve a distinctive custom design. Save time and effort by tossing your potato peels into this peeler machine, which peels them all at once as they rotate, instead of peeling them one by one. A fascinating machine carves and shapes screwdriver bits with precision. Watch this machine showcase its woodworking skills and precision. This is the perfect tool for seamlessly welding two pipes together. The texture on ratchet handles is crafted with a precision machine. Is used for grinding hard materials. These hydraulic leg extenders make reaching high places effortless.